So, you want to build websites, but don't know where to begin? Then buckle up, because this video is your guide to mastering Adobe Dreamweaver, the industry standard web design software. Forget complicated coding, we're going to explore a streamlined learning journey. First things first, understand the interface. Dreamweaver may seem daunting at first, but let's break it down. Explore the different panels. The design view lets you see the visual website you're creating. The code view shows the underlying HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and the split view combines both. This intuitive layout allows you to learn visually and code. Now for learning paths, you have options. One great starting point are the official Adobe tutorials. Adobe provides a wealth of resources. Then, explore the world of online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare have tons of structured Dreamweaver courses for every skill level. YouTube is another huge resource. Search for beginner-friendly Dreamweaver tutorials. We'll find step-by-step guides, project-based learning experiences, and so much more. Search for web design fundamentals as a part of your learning to understand the building blocks of website structure, like HTML and CSS, and how Dreamweaver utilizes them. Practice is key. As you learn, start building simple websites, create a personal portfolio or a basic landing page to hone your skills. Experiment with different features and try to replicate designs you admire. So dive in, explore, and start building. Adobe Dreamweaver is a powerful tool. With dedication and the right resources, you'll create stunning websites in no time. Good luck and happy web designing.